One of the things that people tell me is they want to get to know me and how I work. They want to really understand how I make my rugs. They want to spend time in the studio with me. And I understand that. And so I came up with the inspiration sessions as a way of providing people with that. What I do is once a month, I sit and I hook a rug, and it's the current rug I'm working on. It's the project that I'm excited about and interested in. And I video that, just me alone in the studio. I make the video and I share it with members of the inspiration sessions. And the reviews from last year were amazing. People loved it. They said things like, I felt like I was in the studio with you. I felt like we were having a visit. I felt like we were together. And that really mattered to me because that's what I wanted them to experience. So you play the video, you get a password each month, you play the video. But I love doing it so much. What I decided to do was create a more of a community around it. So about every 6 to 8 weeks last year, we would get together for a live hook-in via Zoom. And we would have a live hook-in where all of us gathered together, whoever wanted to come, and we would record it. So if you couldn't come to the hook-in, you could watch it later. And during that hook-in, people could ask me questions directly. They got a chance to get to know me. I got a chance to get to know them. We became uh, we became known and understood each other. And then I love that so much. I said this year definitely we're going to keep that as part of the inspiration sessions. It was just this community that was building, and I wanted to hang on to it. So this year I've decided that I'm going to add some extra little creativity videos throughout the year, and I'm going to add a community aspect of it. One of the things that people loved about the inspiration sessions was when I recorded the video for them. Below that video, they could ask me a question. And when they asked me a question, I could respond to them directly. It would come to them in an email, a direct email from me to them about their question or their comment. And then it would get posted below our inspiration session video. The other thing I did was I offered like book recommendations and reflective questions for the month. So it was a real learning experience. I didn't, last year was the first year I did it, and it grew and evolved as we did it, and it's grown into something strong and beautiful for the participants and for me. So join me this year for the inspiration sessions. They begin the 1st of March. We post the video around the 20th of the month, so they begin, you can join starting the 1st of March. So thank you for listening to me, and I hope you'll join me. I'd like to get to know you better. See ya. hookingrugs.com